Ordering digital services is actually quite easy and very similar to what you have been used to. Just go to the Priva support portal, as you can see here, just log in as you would normally do. Then go to support here in the menu. And in support, select Priva services. In the ordering form, we see a few things that stand out. First, of course, in the middle of the screen, you can see the 3 versions, the 3 packages that you can choose from: Starter, Essentials and Plus. And here on the top you can see the several steps that you need to take to get to confirmation and actually ordering the digital services. So let's get started by selecting, let's say, Essentials. And then click on Next. Here you can see the package details. In this case, because you have selected Essentials, which you can here see in the summary, you also need to select the number of points that you would like to have for historical data. So let's say we take 100 points and the length of storage. Let's go for 13. The next step is about add-ons. In this case, you have selected Essentials with a number of data points, but here you can have additional power-ups, add-ons, to add to your Essentials package. For instance, the connectivity pack and Building Comfort Management and so on. If you want to have the connectivity pack, just click on that one and we'll add it to your pricing summary, and the same goes for all the other ones. If you select Building Comfort Management, then of course you need to select the number of rooms that you would like to have. It's worth mentioning that if you look at the real-time and historical data APIs here at the bottom, that the pricing is determined by the number of points you selected in the package options. So I will go back just one step, and here you can see we selected 100 data points. If I change, or if you change these data points, that would have effect on the pricing of the real-time APIs here. And then we go into project details. So first you type in the project location. Let's say in this case we would like to do that for the campus. And then of course type in the address. Now here we have the information about the projects on that location. It could be one, but it also could be several. In this case we have a project and a P number, so this is the Priva project number, we all know, so you type that in here. And of course the project name. Should it be the case that this building, this location, has more than one project number, you can add one. So you can go click on plus and you can add, in this case, a second project with a second number. And again, give that a name as well. Now of course I will get rid of that, but of course it's important that this is selected. So either there is already a cloud connector present on site, so in that case you click this one, but if it's not, then you have the option to add that to the monthly subscription or purchase it as a one-off. So either one of those. Let's go to next. Then it's time for the organization name. So this is the name of your organization, the partner organization ordering, in this case, the services. So name of the contact of the Priva partner, put in myself, and the email address. The second bit is about the end user. So the first bit is about you as a partner, but the second bit is about information of the end user. So in this case, this is about the campus, right? So this is the Priva campus, or maybe you should say Priva in this case, and then the name of the contact and his email address. And we click next again. Then we come to the information about the submitter. So in this case, this is the same name as the partner. So in this case, the submitter of this form is the partner. So we'll type in that. But it could be someone else, of course. And here we would like to have your partner account number. And of course, your address. Telephone number. And the name of the contact belongs to the telephone number. So put in myself, and again, my email address. Now, of course, normally this would be not a Priva email address, but you get the picture because I'm filling this out. If you order digital services, you may want to give that a purchase number. So let's put in an order number. And then we have two check marks. For instance, you can choose to have the hardware, the cloud connector in this case, to be delivered to a different location. So if you check this one, you can add the details of the location where the cloud connector should go to. This might be might be interesting for you to do if the cloud connector doesn't need to be sent to your partner location, to your location, but to a different one, let's say the project. If that's the case, use this check mark and fill out the details of the project here. Maybe you want to have different information for invoicing. So that means that what appears on the invoice is different from the other information you entered here in customer information. So if you want to do that, click this one and then you can enter the information for billing. So go to the next one. So we are about to wrap this up. If you have any remarks, comments, questions, you can put them here. Then we have the terms and conditions you need to agree to. So I will check those 3 and then press submit. Once you did that, you will receive an email with the ordering details, and that wraps up the ordering process.